uMabuza ungusihlalo wekomiti yabongqongqotshe abaqale indaba zamanzi nemisebenzi yamanzi. Uvakatshele isifunda seFreystata yokuqala iplant ehlwengisa amanzi weNsila eKroonstad. Unqopho kusiza umasipalata wemfuleni njengombana kunesoriji etleleza ingene eVaal River. Ngo-2016 kwakhutshwa imali ebalelwa ku-22 million yamaranda ukuzokulungisa iplant le. Kodwa ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu sekufuneka ingidigidi zamaranda bona kulungiswe iplant.
They've tried to put money together, all three spheres of government, to start fixing this plant. So, from the meeting that I attended this morning, the contractor will start on Friday, this coming Friday, and he or she will take up to the 15th of December.
Kusungulwe ikomiti ezokuqala ihlelo elibona likhamba kuhle.
Contractor service providers being appointed, a contract o tla starta ka Friday mo alwetsa state establishment ke bikarabelo ba rona kaofela ga le batho ba masepala ga le ba etapeng, and make sure that ka Freitag ka holiday ka heritage day re lo tlamea re ja heritage ya rona ona ka mo
kubizwe nababelane kuzoqinisekisa bona umthangala sekelo uyatshejwa.
Ile haholo hobane batho ba rona bana le mathata a suwa, bana le mathata a metsi. Jwale re batla go bona dintho tseno di lokisa hore batho ba kgone ho thola bophelo bo nepahetseng.
I'm very pleased on what happened here today. It's just a matter of the community working in friendship with the municipality and not complaining and doing an enemies all the time.
uMabuza uthi indaba yokuhlogeka kwamanzi negezi kumasipalata weMaluti Aphofong izoqedwa msinya njengombana kunamahlelo okulungisa.